Welcome to the Explainer. Look, if you're a small business owner, a startup founder, or honestly just anyone trying to scale a brand today, you know the exact feeling we're talking about. You start with this incredible idea, and then suddenly, you're completely drowning. You're dealing with website maintenance, tricky SEO algorithms, plugins breaking left and right. It's just overwhelming. You're supposed to be running your business, right? Not playing full-time IT support. So today, we're looking at a blueprint to solve exactly that, using the service model of a premier digital agency called VinHub Labs. And that brings us to the million-dollar question. Or, well, the question that could save you a million headaches. What does it actually cost to outsource your chief technology officer? Today, we're going to demystify the exact journey of business takes, going straight from needing basic foundational web maintenance all the way up to building a fully automated growth engine. By the end of this explainer, you're going to have a crystal clear picture of how these massive digital ecosystems are engineered and exactly what it costs to just have the experts handle the whole shebang for you. All right, let's dive right into this. When we look at the VinHub ecosystem, it's pretty clear they aren't just building pretty websites. They're literal architects of digital growth. The scope here is huge. It spans from high-converting web design and technical SEO, all the way to content creation, paid advertising, and heavy-duty marketing automation like CRM integrations. They don't just build you a digital storefront. They engineer the entire system that drives traffic to it and then actually converts that traffic into revenue. But to build a high-performance system like that, you gotta start at the ground floor. So let's look at project-based foundations.